Today we will be looking at single bracket expansion. How do you expand expression in a bracket, in a single bracket? For example, let us simplify or expand the word expand or simplify for open brackets s plus 3. Let's simplify for open bracket s plus 3. This is a single bracket and there's a number in front of the bracket. When you see this expression, all you need to do is to use the number outside the bracket to multiply each of the number and variable inside the bracket. It goes like this. This is 4. So we are using this 4 to multiply all the numbers inside the bracket, irrespective of the numbers or the variables that we are having inside the bracket. So let's deal with it. We are using 4 to multiply s. Solution. You say 4 multiply s. 4 times s. Then this is plus 3. 4 times plus, then 4 multiply 3. 4 times s and 4 times 3. We are using 4 to multiply each of the number. 4 to multiply s. That is what we are having here. 4 times s. 4 times s is 4s. Plus 4 times 3 is 12. That is the answer. As simple as that. We're using 4 to multiply the bracket, means open the bracket. We have opened the bracket. So 4 multiply s is 4s. Multiply 4 multiply 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. It's as simple as that. Single bracket expansion. Okay, let's make it a bit more difficult to expand. Let's see. Let's take this as an example 2. This is example 2. If we say we should simplify s open brackets s minus 3. Let's simplify 2s open bracket s minus 3. Take the number outside the bracket to multiply all the numbers or the variables inside the bracket. So first of all, we'll be using 2s multiplied by s. 2s multiplied by s, that is the first one. Then we're having minus 2s multiplied by 3. Nice. We're having 2s multiplied by 3, which is or we can just say plus 2s because this is plus 2. So this is plus 2s when there's no sign in front of a number. In our last class, I told you when there is no sign, assume, and that is what it is, that there's an invisible positive sign, plus, in front of that number, and that is what is happening here. This one is plus 2s, this plus 2s, so plus 2s multiplied by s, that is what is here. And now this is the plus 2s multiplied by what? Minus 3. This is the second number. We are multiplying this 2s by this minus 3. And we are multiplying this s by this s. So 2s multiplied s, 2s times s is 2s raised to the power 2. Remember, in our last class, I said 2 times s times s is s raised to the power 2. S times s times s times s is s raised to the power 4. It all depends. So here we are having S times S. S times S does not mean 2S. It means S squared. And this is the 2. S multiplied by S is S squared. The 2 is here. Now we are having plus 2S. Remember, plus times minus is minus. Plus minus is minus. Take note. Plus times minus is minus. Always minus. Plus times minus is minus. Let's assume we have the minus and we have the plus here. Minus times plus is same thing as minus plus times minus. Minus times plus. Plus times minus. They give the same answer. Minus times plus. The answer must always be minus. Plus times minus. It must always be minus. Both are the same. Take notes. Minus times plus is minus.